In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a simple woodcutting bot. So basically that bot will check the status to see if you're woodcutting or not, and if you're not, it's going to cut a tree, and so on. So first thing of all, I'm going to open an application called Stratty. Okay, it's currently loading and it's going to pop up in just a second. Okay, so here it is. Just going to claim my daily reward and then press start. So let's go ahead here and let's press new. And we're going to name it as WC bot. Create that bot. It's loaded and we can open history. We have nothing in there. So let's make a new watcher and let's add a new image. So all we have to do is just add images of the targets that we want, which are these trees, and then end selection. So here we have our assets here, which is perfect. And we're going to go here and just quickly add a click. After that, let's add a delay and let's save it. So I'm going to quickly just test it out and make sure it works. Okay, so it is working and that is perfect. Okay, so let's go ahead and stop. And now the next thing you want to do is actually cut one log just so we can get that status that you see right there, not wood cutting. So we're going to use this to check our status. So let's rename this watcher and let's name it cut. And then let's open a new watcher and let's actually take a screenshot. We'll save this object of this text. There's many ways to read text, but since this is just simple image matching, we're going to do it that way. But you can also use vision detection and have it read the text. Anyways, so it's going to check here, and if we are not woodcutting, so if this is true, then we want to happen is on success, start another task, and you want to start the cut task. Okay, and then save it. So what this means is as long as we are not woodcutting, it will try to woodcut, and if it's woodcutting, then it won't try to. So let's save this name. Let's go to cut, and inside here, we want to delay after we click, just so it doesn't read the status too quickly. So we have a delay, but let's just increase it. You can of course adjust this to be lower. It's up to you. But for a demonstration, I'm just trying to show you what happens. So let's actually save it, Control S, and let's disable this watcher. So we're going to use check status as our main watcher. It's going to basically check the status. If we're not cutting, it's going to cut, and so on and so forth. So let's save it and start it. So it sees that we're not wood cutting. We have a delay, and then as you see, it goes and cuts the next tree. As you see here, there's no tree, so it's going to, of course, not do anything. It's just going to keep checking. Okay, and there's many things you can do to um, optimize that more. In here, I have like very specific checks. It's a deeper rabbit hole. But anyhow, so now what we want to do is drop. So let's make a new watcher, and let's name this drop. So what we can do here is look in our inventory, and this first detection check is going to be the log like this. So just the object, and then we want to choose where we want to look, right? So we're gonna first add a custom region, and we're gonna make it only look up to about here. Add region, and then done. So now it'll check our inventory for this log, any logs, and then we're gonna add another check, and we're gonna do it over the log again. Okay, you don't need 3 images, 4 images, whatever, just add at least 1 or 2 good images. So we're gonna check inventory, and then we're gonna find the log. So if the log is in there, then we're gonna try and drop it. So what we can do now is add in this game in particular, you can use shift left click, so we can just add a keyboard, and then press edit, and you just type in shift, well hold shift and press left click. Then you can even add delays on here, randomize location, etc. So Let's just save this and save sequence. Okay, so it's going to shift left click when it's there. And this is going to have the highest priority level. So we move the mouse here, we can see we have different priority levels. Let's change this to priority level um, 2. And then let's go to check status and let's set this to priority level 1. That just basically means this is the highest priority. We're going to want to drop our logs as soon as it appears and then check the status to chop. What you can also do, of course, is have your logs. If you want it, if you move the log here and you set a custom region only for this spot, then when this is found, then it will drop logs. That's for full inventory. Okay, so let's save it and start it up. So as you see, immediately drops the logs and then immediately clicks the tree. Log is dropped, click tree, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's all for this video. It's just a simple, very simple video. And if you visit the website strategy.com, you'll be able to find full tutorials of mini videos showing you what I showed you and so much more. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.